You know, I couldn't sleep for days when I betrayed you. Man, you know regrets are not part of my life. My mind was like a machine. It was working so fast. I was thinking several things about you. I was scared that you will no longer have that trust on me. I was scared that you will change the way you view me. I thought you will never understand why I did what I did. You're like a brother to me, my blood. Man, they say family first and I had to take this tough decision because you're my family too. But the difference is that ulololo wasesitratweni ngoku kuye kwanyanzeleka ndiqale kwaba ndizalwa nabo. And I realized it's sekurhatyele that I took a wrong decision. Baye baningcatsha kwabona. Kodwa sendibulela nje sesecaleni kwam. I really love and appreciate you, dog.